Hi, I'm Mr. Sand, and I just want to take a couple minutes to explain something that is often really confusing for students. It's the concept of the mole. Now, a mole is just a number. I think you just need to repeat that, at least I needed to repeat that over and over and over again. The mole is just a number. We could have called this number a Zalimadoot, or a Bing Bop, or a Califagalok. I don't know. Whatever you want to call it, you can call it something different if you want to. Every time you see the word mole, you can think of it as a Bing Bop, if you like. It's just a number. That's all it is. And it's a very convenient number for chemists. That's why we use it. That number is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. That is a mole. Just like a dozen, that word dozen stands for 12. Pear, not the fruit, stands for 2. A trio stands for 3. A foursome stands for 4. So a mole stands for 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. It's a huge number. Absolutely huge. If you count up all the seconds from the start of this universe, from the Big Bang, it would not equal a mole of seconds. It's such a huge number, it's hard to even fathom what that means, that huge of a number. But we use that number in chemistry all the time. So when I say we have a mole of, I don't know, I've got a cup right here, a mole of cups, well, that means that we've got 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd cups. If I've got a mole of glasses, like this, that means we have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd glasses. We've got a mole of iPhones. This is an old iPhone. Then you got 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd iPhones. That's what a mole is. So if you've got moles of grams, that means if you've got 1 mole of grams, you've got 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd grams. Now, it gets a little confusing when someone says, oh, you've got 2 moles of glasses. Well, what would 2 moles of glasses be? Well, it would just be twice of 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd glasses, or cups, I think I call these cups. Yeah. So don't let that terminology mole confuse you. It just means 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. You're going to be using the same kind of conversions, using the same factor label method, the same conversion factors as well, except now we've got this new conversion factor, which is 1 mole of blank equals 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd blanks. That's what we can use now to change something into moles of something else. So for instance, let's say, I don't have a marker out here right now, but I'll get one out real quick. Oh, perfect. A light green marker right when I needed something darker. But it's all right. So let's say that we want to change, this is going to be a funny question, 39 cups. Convert 39 cups to moles of cups. Okay. Oh, here it is. It might even be backwards. Oh crap, you can't see it. 39 cups into moles of cups. Think about how you're going to set this up. Okay, I want you to try that right now. Just pause the video, set it up for yourself right now. Convert 39 cups to moles of cups. Okay? Pause. Okay, I hope that you've done that problem, or at least try to convert that problem. So you're going to take 39 cups as your starting point. I'm not going to draw on this, but you take 39 cups as your starting point. You're going to multiply it by something. You're going to multiply it by a conversion factor. And that conversion factor is going to be 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd cups equals 1 mole of cups. So if you want to change this into the units of moles of cups, then you've got to have moles of cups on the top of that conversion factor, and then 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd cups on the bottom in that conversion factor. If you multiply that across, what you're going to do, you're going to see that the cups, they cancel out, the units cancel out, and you're going to be left with moles of cups as your final unit. And you're also going to be, in a sense, dividing 39 cups divided by 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd cups. And I'm going to do that with my calculator right here. So 39 cups divided by 6.022 e to the 23rd cups. Oh, this is a great time to pause and to think about how your calculator represents times 10 to anything. The way your calculator does it, if you have one of these kinds of TI-80 whatever, is that they have a special function on here. You hit, if you want to do times 10 to anything, for instance, let me just do this. I'll say 6.022, and then I'll say, if I want to write times 10 to the 23rd on my calculator, I just press second, then the EE button. It looks like a comma. It's right above the 7, right there. EE. So it'll show up as an E right here, and I put 23. That is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Yeah, it's backwards, but okay. You can see it. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. That's what it equals. I just put that in my calculator. So, if I want to take 39 divided by 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, times 10 to the 23rd, I just plug it in my calculator, and I get 6.47625374 E negative 23. That E negative 23 means times 10 to the negative 23rd. Okay. So, I hope you got it as the answer, and I hope moles make sense. We'll be using them a lot later, but I want to introduce them now during conversions so we don't get scared of them until later. Then you can get scared of them. Okay. Good luck. Bye.